Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Sapna. Okay. So, in last lecture, we were discussing sandwich theorem, and we were on example 2. But suddenly connection lost, and we are not able to solve this. Okay. So now we will solve it. This is the continuation of lecture 8. Okay. This is separate video. So we will use sandwich theorem to solve it. Okay. So let's see. So this is the example is given by this, and we have to show it is convergent and its limit is 0. First of all, so you see that Bn, you see this, we have 1 upon n plus 1 square, then 1 upon n plus 2, n plus 2 square, and so like that 1 upon 2n square. So in if we skip 1, 2, and here is this is nothing but this term is n plus 1 here. This is n plus n. This term is, so this part is n plus n. So if we skip 1 here and keep 1 n square, it will be, this will be 1 upon n square. This is 1 upon n, last term n square. So this part will increase. If we put here n here, for example, if we put in place of 1, we are putting n. So this will decrease. In place of 2, we are putting n. And finally, we are taking n plus 2n square. We will keep this part as it is. Previously, we will add 1 to up to n minus 1, we will put n. So what is this then? This is, these are n terms, n upon n plus 1 square. And this is nothing but Bn sequence. And what is this? This is n upon n square. So after solving it, what you will get? N upon 4 n square. That is Bn, n upon n square. Okay. Now solve it. N will be cancelled out. So what we have? 1 upon 4n is less than Bn. Okay. 1 upon n. Okay. Now, now, if we take this sequence, now 1 upon 4n is convergent with limit n tending to infinity. 1 upon 4n is 0. Also, 1 upon n is convergent with limit n tending to infinity. 1 upon n is 0. Okay. We have 1 upon 4n less than Bn and less than 1 upon n for all n belongs to n, with 1 upon 4n and 1 upon n convergent sequences. Limit of these sequences 1 upon 4n, limit n tending to infinity, 1 upon n is 0 by sandwich theorem, which theorem, sandwich theorem, we get Pn is convergent and limit of limit and tending to infinity Bn is 0. Okay. So Bn is convergent and its limit is 0.